As a mechanic, towing service, spare part dealer, bodywork specialists, electrical technician, and tire shop. Are you tired of waiting around for customers to find you? Look no further than QuickMechs, the revolutionary new app that connects customers with service providers like you on demand and on the go. With QuickMechs, you can expand your reach and attract new customers in your local area. Our easy-to-use platform makes it simple to showcase your services and reach a wider audience, all with the click of a button. With QuickMechs, you can manage all your appointments, job details, and customer information in one easy-to-use platform. Customers can track their appointments, receive reminders, and say goodbye to the hassle of juggling multiple paper records and notes. So you can focus on what you do best, providing top-quality repairs and service to your customers. Whether you're a small business or a larger operation, QuickMechs is the perfect way to grow your customer base and increase your revenue. So why wait? Join QuickMechs now and get ready to reach more customers and take your business to new heights.